Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create stunning text effect in Wix Studio. Now, even if you are a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you will be able to design stylish, animated or interactive text for your Wix website. So let's jump into video. First thing first, what you have to do, you have to open the Wix Studio. If you are new to Wix Studio, it is a professional version of Wix that gives you more control over your design layout and animation. Now, if you in the Wix Editor, so Wix Editor is a different thing. Wix Editor looks like this. If this is the Wix Editor and this is a Wix Studio, uh, we get a lot of option in the Wix Studio, and in the Wix Editor is for just basic websites. Now, if you want to open into Wix Studio and if you are in a Wix standard, what you have to do is just simply make a account into Studio Wix. Just search it and something will pop up, and click in and create an account. So this is for Wix Studio. This tutorial is Wix Studio. Now what I have to do to let's create a plan, add a section over here in my website. So this is a basic website which I have created for the text animation. Now you have to add section over here. Now after adding a section, what you have to do is just simply click on the add an element, or what you can do if you don't see this option, you can go in the left corner, left top corner, and click on this plus icon. So it will show something like this. Now click on the text. Now what you can do is just simply select a heading, and it's how to add animation. Simply put it down. Now just simply put this text over here. Now let's add one more text, like collab text. If you want some text mask, you can do that. Now let's add a text mask. Now click on this, if you want more designed text, you can do that, just like untold story. Put it into, just reposition this text. Let me, okay, it's cropping. Maybe I have to uh, just take side. Okay, just put it over here. As you can see here, I think we aren't into section. Okay, we are in the section. Now just simply reposition our first text. Now what you have to do is just simply click on it over here, and whenever you click on the text, something will appear in the right side. From here you can manage your text, you can add a style, you can give a font. Right now I am using Poppins semi bold. If you go scroll down a little bit, you will get a lot of option to customize over here. So that's why I choose Wix Studio. Now click on the animation and effect like this. Now this is the animation where, so entrance, now this is the entrance animation. Elements will animate when they enter into view. So just simply click on add into, and over you can see there are a lot of options you can choose to animate, like this. If you want to reveal the text, you can do that. If you want to expand text from lower to upper, if you want to scale the text, you can give the span. For example, I will choose this one. This looks clean. And now what you can do is just simply click on the adjust animation. If you want to add more adjustment into animation, just simply click over here. Now you can blur intensity. Now how much the blur will look like in the entrance. The duration will be 1 minute, 1 second, and delay will be 0. If you increase this, whenever someone comes and views this text, so it will not appear in first place, but after the 1 second it will start animating text. So I will always prefer to delay this animation. If you want to give easing, if you know what is graph, you will know what I am talking about. So if you want to give easy in, easy out, so it basically it gives smoothness to your animation. Now just simply click on the preview, something will look like this, and let's ease in out. It's okay, this looks good. Now go back into adjust steps and again steps. Now you can animate this text for whenever someone hover on it. Simply click on to hovering over an element will trigger an animation. For example, if I hover on this text, hovering, if you know, if something I put my mouse on this text, some animation will happen. So for doing that, what you have to do is click on the hovering. Now from here you can choose the animation. For example, whenever someone like hover on the text, it will shrink. For example, let's again go to hover. Now okay, I think I have made a mistake over here. Just simply click on this animation. Now self shrink. If you got a lot of option in the hovering session as well. If you want to twist, you can twist as well. If you want to fade, you can fade it. Now appearance, clearness, I will choose shrink because it looks good. If you go to into adjustment, in the adjustment you will get to see the scale option, how much the scale will be. And for example, if I edit to from current position to scale, you can do that, how much it will shrink. So if I choose into current position, it will look like this. From it will, whenever I hover, it will scale up. Now what I will do, I will just simply from current, it will scale down. Now what will be the duration? So 0.30 seconds. If you want to give delay, so already by default it has it will look like this, something. Okay, you got the idea. Now get back to our animation. So let's animate for someone if clicked. For example, this is a click on an element will trigger an animation. Now if I click something something animate, for example, like this, whenever I click over here, you can it will, this animation will trigger. If you can adjustment preview as well. Now if you want to change the angle, you can change it. Now if you want to give a distance, how much it will animate, you can give. Duration will be 1 second. Delay 0 is in out. Let's see. Okay, so it's a lot of distance. Let's decrease, as you can see here. Okay, this looks good. Now go back into animation. Yeah, you can scroll. If someone scroll on this text, you can it will animate. So let's see. If you go into mask text, what you can do is you simply click on that, and from here what you can do is let's see uh, what we can edit over here in this text. Now if you want mouse effect, you can add loop, scroll, click, hover. You want to give animation like something expand. Okay, this is good. Now click on the save and continue. Let's see how it looks like. Now click on the done and click on the preview. So it will look like this, as you can see here. If I click, this animation happens. If I click again, this animation triggered. Just this looks clean and great. I feel this is good. If you want a more customer, you can pause the video And for example, let's try to add a different video into uh, uh, the text, or just into mask. Just see in the section, let's try to replace the media. Now you can change media by coming over here. You can just simply click on the change media, and it will take you to if to Wix library, where you can change the the media. Now click on the change background. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully changed our background for this text. Now this is the additional tip. We have created this video to tell you how you can animate a text, but yeah, you can change this as well. So you can give animation to any object or any element. For example, if you want to give the animation to a button, you can just simply add that button into your Wix Studio and click on it, and in the animation and effect, it will, from here you can animate anything uh, to the button. So that's it. This is how you can create an animation on text. If you found this video helpful, then thanks for watching, and